Hi kiddos, here I am again, Miss Becky, with another science experiment that we are trying. This is supposed to be the Skittles science experiment, but Easter has come to Miss Becky's house and I have big chewy nerds. So I am using hot water, a plate, and big chewy nerds. So what do you think our hypothesis will be if I pour this hot water into the center of this plate? Remember, a hypothesis is a good guess of what might happen in this experiment. Some hypotheses could be nothing will happen, and that could be what happens. Another hypothesis could be colors explode from the candy. Now, this might not happen. This experiment could be a total flop. The experiment is supposed to be done with Skittles, and if you have Skittles from Easter, I say try it with the real deal. Or another hypothesis could be Miss Becky cries because this does not work at all. So, are you ready? So you pour the water directly in the center. I suspect slowly. And let's see if, so you do not submerge them, just let them soak in the bottom. I wonder how much time needs to be elapsed. I do see some color coming out from our big chewy nerds. I do see some pretty colors. So it seems some of the candy is dissolving, which means coming apart in little pieces, and it's showing the colors. Ooh, it is getting a little pretty, which Miss Becky loves. I see pretty colors. It kind of looks like a wreath of sunshine for me right now. What do you kiddos think it looks like? It might look like, I'm trying to think of other things it looks like, but I bet you guys can think of some cool things. It's getting even better for me. It could look like a unicorn wreath, or it kind of looks like Trix cereal a bit. Oh, it's getting closer into the center for me. I wonder if that's some scientific name that some mommies and daddies might already know. It is working quite well, I have to say, even though they're not Skittles, but big chewy nerds. It is taking a bit. I wonder if I should add some more water. I'm going to touch the center. Ooh, well, the center does have water in it, so I'm going to let it go. You saw that you could see the ripples in the water when I did that. I kind of thought it might be dry, but I wonder if I add more water, if it would go a little quicker. It's actually the colors are quite intense, which intense means quite bright for how little the candies are. I think I am going to add a little more water to see if we can get a little more colors going on. Whoop! I kind of pushed back our colors a little bit for a second. Let's see if it goes even further. Otherwise, we did get quite a nice circular wreath. If you guys have candies at home, it might work with M&Ms. You could actually if you do try this experiment at home, everyone, and if you use something different like M&Ms, Skittles, I don't know, anybody's Easter candy, please post your results on our cluster, and then we can show everybody, if you do the experiment differently, what yours turned out, because every experiment is different and everything can teach us something new. I think it has come a little closer to the center. Oh, I like how some of the colors are kind of zigzagging. It's making a very pretty design. Do you guys think it's still moving? I wonder why it moves to the center instead of going outside. I wonder if that's my plate being angled, or I wonder if it's some other reason. What do you guys think? Let's see if the water's still in there. Yes, see, there's still water in there. Wonder if it's done moving. I have a great urge to swirl it. Does anyone else feel like that? Oh, it's getting closer to the center. What do you think it'll do when it gets to the center, everyone? I want it to be a spiral myself. I want it to be a big spiral. This is going much slower than I thought it would. I thought it would zoom to the center. I'm feeling very low on patience. Patience is being able to wait for something. How many of these candies do you think I have on this plate? Can anyone make a guess and then we'll count them? Okay, make your guess and then let's see who's right. Okay, ready? I'm going to start with this purple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And a 20 you make with a 2 and a 0. The 2 you make first. Wow, I'm surprised it's an even number. An even number can be divided by 2 and come up with no one left alone. They're all in pairs. Ooh, I really like that pink color. It's very sunset color to me. When the sun goes down at night. I feel like we could have some background music right about now. I hope everyone had a great Easter and the Easter Bunny visited them. Oh, lots of water right there. Oh, did you see that? I disrupted the perfect circle when I did that. And it made a cool kind of swirl. I really like that. This kind of looks like our spin art that we used to do in class. Remember with the salad spinner? And you know Miss Becky loves a good polka dot. I don't think you're surprised that this is my plate. Okay, I can't wait any longer. I'm going to do something. Ooh, what happens? Ooh, fun's happening. Ooh, I kind of mushed it though, didn't I? I think if we waited long enough that it would all come to the center. Actually, I'll leave it here on my kitchen counter for a while and I'll take the final picture later. But thank you for joining me for this experiment. I'm really excited that it worked. I hope you guys try this experiment with something and get some fun reaction. And I hope you all made a fun hypothesis. Toodles, bye-bye.